Hi. Who is the worst enemy? Your society, your money, your education, or your friends and relatives, or the technology? Watch this video till the end. I'm going to share something very interesting as usual. Hi. Today's topic is how to program for success consciousness. In fact, I'm going to share the difference between success consciousness and failure consciousness. Whenever you see a successful person, let us take an example of Sachin Tendulkar. What comes in your mind? Oh, he's lucky. He just became a cricketer just like that. Or he worked hard for his success. Obviously, he worked hard for his success. So as a cricketer, what will be running in his mind? Always. While eating, while drinking, while taking bath, while sleeping, while traveling, what will be running in his mind? Cricket, 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 cricket. How to improve on? How to improve on? Correct? On the other side, a failure will be always asking this kind of questions. Why did he lose? Why so much of a problem for me? I'm putting all my efforts. Still I'm struggling. Still I'm not successful. Is there any problem in my name? Is there any problem with my date of birth? Any astrological issues? Or anybody is not happy with my success and they are trying to do something against me? So many things. A successful person always learns from the past mistakes and achievements. So he avoids or he corrects the mistakes and improves on the achievements. But on the other side, a failure doubts and fear about the future and is very careful not to commit any mistakes and is not willing to take any risk. Right? Why? Fear. So fear is overruling him. As I keep saying, anything you practice again and again becomes a habit. So a success conscious person always practices success. Always practices success. And a failure always practices failure. So this is also like a habit. So anything you keep feeding again and again to your mind, you become that and you attract that. The problem with many people is they are not ready to practice daily. They want immediately, instantly, but by just doing something small, but they want greater results. Can it work? Never. So success consciousness is like a habit. You should do it daily and you should love while doing it. Just imagine Sachin is going for a practice, for a cricket practice. And is in his mind, he's feeling like, I'm already successful. So why should I require a coach? Or, okay, I can just practice for some time. Or I'll practice whenever I have time because I'm already successful. Okay, just for encouraging my juniors, I'll be there. Do you think you would have gone this way? Never. You would have enjoyed while practicing. You would have become like a kid while practicing. You know why I'm saying all this? Life is also like a game. When you enjoy what you're doing, you achieve more and more every single day. Again, as I keep saying, it is not to compete with anyone. It is just to compete with myself. The competition is only me. Am I improving daily? Am I enjoying what I'm doing? Definitely, you will see success. In fact, my old friends used to ask me this. Hey, you completely changed your profession. How come? And I used to say, my daily mantra is success consciousness. How to improve myself? What changes can I do? so that I can learn and grow more. Not worried about my past failures. I'm just trying to improve on every single day. As I keep saying, competing with myself on a daily basis. Recently, I was talking to someone and they said, like, we watched your video, Command Your Future. The link is given below, so you can watch it also. And they are saying, so we are trying to apply whatever you said, but something is missing. So can you help us? And when I was talking to them, what I found out is the audio is not matching with the video. Got it? Okay, now you can see my video and my audio. Okay, it is matching. Okay, let us imagine it is not matching. How it will be? It will be very odd, right? Similarly, a person who says, so let's take an example. A person is saying, I am rich or I'll become rich. But in the back of the mind is visualizing, is thinking, oh, how do I pay my bills? Oh, how do I pay my loans? I've got a lot of things to do and I don't have money. But just by saying, I'll be rich, will I become rich? It's a lot of doubt and fear. What happens? As I keep saying, what do you visualize, you materialize. Yes, you need to say the word also, but along with the word, what are you picturizing it? I shared a lot on how to command your future, and also I request you to watch another video on power of words. There are part 1, part 2, I think it's part 3 is also there. Just watch it out, so that you will come to know how to change your audio and video and what are the words to be used. Because of these mistakes, you are not able to see success. And who is the worst enemy? Ourselves. Okay, because many things are conditioned, deep rooted. Okay, it's very deep rooted, and I'm sorry to say it's not very easy for anybody to just come out just like that. And that is where what I've been doing. In fact, I've been doing this program for more than 13 years, and I transform many people's lives all over the world. So what we try to do is we try to find out who you are, where are your stumbling blocks, what is registered. So how can I reprogram that thought process and program you for success? This program is completely online. You can reach me out. My numbers are flashing here and I'll be there to help you out. Share this video to as many people as you can. The more you share, the more you gain. Again, Wilfred Stanley signing off from Rapid Mind Power. Bye. Thank you. Have a great day.